Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can remove green screen on CapCut PC. So guys, here I have already created a project on my CapCut PC, and first of all, I'm going to add this green screen video to my CapCut timeline. Okay, now let's just practice how we can remove this green screen. We can go to CapCut option, this one. Tap on the CapCut option, then you're going to tap on the chroma key. You can turn on the chroma key, then click on color picker, and we're going to pick the green color since we want to remove the green color. Okay, after that we can increase the strength like this, and you can also increase the shadow. Okay, and I'm going to zoom out. Okay, and alright guys, now let's just take a look at the result. Okay, and as you can see that the green screen has been removed from our clip. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove green screen on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.